Okay, in this video, I'm going to take a slightly different approach and a different topic. Normally, my videos obviously are about law or about business or starting up business. This video is about investment. And it's about buying and selling shares. Now, my philosophy, my strategy is to buy shares which will be good investments and provide good growth in the medium to long term. I'm not looking to make a quick buck. I'm not looking to be a day trader. I'm looking for good, solid value in my shares, and I'm looking to provide essentially my own pension and my own little nest egg or investment fund or whatever for the rainy day, as it were. The best way that I have found there's various platforms available, there's various ways of buying and selling shares. You can go through stockbrokers, or you can go through various other services, but the bottom line is the best, the cheapest, and most effective way that I have found is to buy and sell shares is through the Giro platform. You can find it at thegiro.ie, and you can find more information there. The Giro, I think, is owned by Danske Bank, but the trading platform is very, very powerful, and there's a massive amount of information on it. There is share prices, stock prices from all of the major stock markets in the world in real time, so you can see the various share prices changing from minute to minute. So it's very, very powerful. You can also do quite a lot of research on particular shares or particular stocks. There's an app then as well for your phone if you want to track your portfolio or share prices online. This is the inside. Once you log in, I have an account, and this is essentially what it's like inside. So you've got a huge amount of information. You've got various stock prices that you can check. You can search for a product up here, for example. If I was to search for example, Smurfit Kappa, I can carry out my research on this particular stock by I can look at key figures. I can look at the price over a day, a week, a month, 3 months, and a year, etc. So if you look at maybe the 3 year pattern, that's what I'd be looking at on the 1 year pattern. You can see over a 3 year period. You can see over a 5 year period. This is the Smurfit share. This is over a month. And this is the daily change in share prices. You can also take a look then at key figures for the particular share you're looking at, the number of employees, how many shares are in issue, how many, what the dividend yield is, payout ratio, profit, etc., etc. You can look then at key documents here as well. So if you come up here, then that's just one particular share. You can carry out research on any share you like. So you can look at the market. So currently this is showing the Euro Stocks index, but you can look at any market that you like. You've got statements here then which will show you your portfolio, your account, your orders, transactions, and so on. So if you take a look at orders, you'll see that I have an outstanding order there today for 4 shares in Amazon. And if you want to check your portfolio, you can do that as well here. And you'll see my shares here. I've got Alphabet, which is actually Google, of CNC, Delat, Draper, Glanbia, Kerry Group, Ryanair, Smurfit, Snap, that's actually Snapchat, Total Produce, that used to be Fives, and I've Twitter. So, but these are the various options and various features. Placing an order is very, very simple. So if I want to place an order for a particular stock, there's a number of ways that I can do it. But before I do that, I want to just show you. So you can see here, you can check out the various indexes in Ireland or in Europe or in America or whatever. So you know you can search for shares then as well and carry out a bit of research. If I want to, however, to buy a share, for example, in, let's say, Smurfits, I want to place an order, then I can search for the product. Actually, I can search for the product here, and immediately down here you'll see that I can buy or sell. I'll just bring that over here so that you can see I can buy or sell the stock. And if I want to buy it, then you'll see the various prices, the open price, the high volume of the day. So essentially the last price is 35.58 for Smurfit. So if I want to buy stock, I can go through the transaction here. So I can have a limit order, I can have a market order, stop loss, stop limit. I can put in various limits, and I can set out or choose how many shares I want to buy and the amount I want to spend, and place the order. The order will be executed pretty quickly. This, though, I have found to be an extremely good platform, an extremely good way of buying and selling your own shares with the minimum of costs. You have very, very powerful information at your fingertips. You can have a look, as I say, here's the Isaac. We'll just go to the Irish Isaac overall index, and you can see the various shares here listed. So from Abbey down to CNC, down to Donegal Investments, Glanbia, and so on. You can see the various prices changing over the day. You can keep an eye then, as I say, on your portfolio. It's very, very detailed. I'm not going to open that up because there's no need for me to show what my portfolio is, my account, the various orders, transactions. I can get various reports then as well over a period of time. And there's a huge, huge amount of information available on the platform. I find it very, very useful. I find it incredibly quick in terms of executing transactions, and I find it very, very cost effective. So if it's something that you're interested in, then I would certainly recommend very, very strongly the Giro.ie. And if you're going to buy a book or two about investing in shares for the medium to long term, I'd recommend a couple of books by a guy with Irish heritage called Peter Lynch, who was one of the top guys on Wall Street. He had an investment fund, I think it was called the Magellan Fund or something, but I bought a couple of books of his. I implement his strategy. It's worked very, very well for me, and it's a sensible medium to long-term growth strategy with a good spread of stocks or shares, good spread of risk across the portfolio, and I'd strongly recommend it. Reading his books if you want to get into buying and selling shares and seeing exactly what's involved and what might be the best strategy to adopt. I'll put a link down below to the couple of books. You can check them out on Amazon. Hope you find this video useful. Thanks for watching.